Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza quick and easy. First, let's talk about the foundation, the dough. For ultimate speed, grab a pre-made dough ball from your local grocery store. Lightly flour your surface and stretch the dough into a roughly 12-inch circle. A thin crust cooks faster. For a crispier base, pre-bake your crust for about 5 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit before adding toppings. This prevents a soggy bottom. Next up, the sauce and cheese, which are crucial for flavor. Spread about 1/2 cup of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over the pre-baked crust, leaving a small border for the crust. Then, generously sprinkle 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Don't be shy. For an extra layer of taste, try a blend of mozzarella with a touch of provolone or parmesan. This combination melts beautifully and adds depth. Now for the fun part, toppings. To keep it quick, select 2 to 3 toppings that cook fast, like pepperoni, mushrooms, or bell peppers. Avoid overloading the pizza, as too many toppings can make it soggy and increase baking time. Distribute them evenly across the cheese. Pop your pizza back into the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Once your pizza is out of the oven, resist the urge to cut it immediately. Let it rest for about 2 minutes. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Then, slice it into 8 perfect pieces. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh basil leaves or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pizza in no time. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.